Heck is... Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do the Nokia 6151. Well, not much of a restoration. Basically tear down, clean up and changing the display that because it has dead pixels. Other than that, nothing I can do to it. Because I don't have a new body shell. So anywho, let's begin. Well, here it is. This is how it looks. I'm not gonna paint this because this is not sticky as I expected. Only the display has this line of dead pixels. $110 talk towers, not bad. I've modified the lighting a bit here, and I hope it looks better. So let's begin. Is the camera working? Yes, it is. This is just a cleanup and the display change, mostly. Video. How long are these? Oh, okay, long enough. Does it have a memory card then? Oh, like this. It doesn't have one, okay. I'm trying not to damage the body shell. Okay. There we go. The buttons are with clamps, just take them out simply like that. Not as dirty as I anticipated, but dirty enough. Anyway, it's a good thing. Okay. Is this thing disassemblable? I mean, it should be. Oh, so this is how it comes out, just pull it up. Interesting. So this is the resonator box with the speaker, earpiece, and the antenna. I'm not gonna take anything out, I'm gonna clean it like this. Charging port. Oh my god, this volume button, it's not removable unless you snapped it. See, this volume button here, this is the outer side, this is the inner side, the plastic. Yeah, see these two pins here, they are melted in place with these rubber ends. So if this thing snaps, you have to glue it, if you can glue it. This other thing should be removable. I think it's this pin that needs to be pulled out. No? Okay. It jumped at me. Yeah, I've dented them a bit, but I'm pushing them back in their place. So yeah, it's better not to take this out. However, I am a risk taker, so yeah. Really? Huh. It's time to use the finer tools. There you go. You can put that in place and shove that pin in there. Yeah, so I almost dropped it. Yeah, that's this part. Now, there you go. I disconnected as it is. Good job. Now the display. It. Well, and this is the main board. I'm not gonna take the camera out or anything, although I like how the camera lens looks. See this? Sweet. Yeah. I'll just clean this and be right back for assembling it. And also I'm gonna look for a display. If I remember correctly, this should be the same display as the Nokia used on Nokia 5200. Do I have some of those? Let me check. So a compatible display should be from the Nokia 7360, I believe is the model, you know it, and the 5200. And honestly, I don't feel like tearing down this one, so I'm gonna tear down this one. If it works, good. If it doesn't, bad. Okay, it looks good. Good enough. Okay. Yeah, disintegrating, of course. Nothing new. Ah, seriously? I don't feel like taking these other two screws out. Is it the same display, or was I lied to? It is the same display. I wasn't lied to. Great. Just shove these here, press this back, and put this back for parts. That's why I go phone hunting, mostly for parts. Well, I'll get to clean this and be right back. Well, it's done. I cleaned it. I also polished the screen a little, and like every time I polish it, it has to get in all the places that polish goo. I've spent a lot of time polishing and cleaning this thing mostly. But it's done. Only doing a little clean here, and that would be it. Better as it should be. See how easy it goes now in without that, without this thing. Okay. Oh, I also disassembled off camera the buttons from the frame. It just had side clamps and that's it. For a reason I thought it was in one piece. Okay, it connected. It looks good. It looks good. Great. This is an easy phone to disassemble and to put back together. Well, it looks like a used phone, nothing I can do about that, but at least it looks better and cleaned. There we go. Ghosting. I wonder if this menu has animated icons. It doesn't have. 110 talk towers. Oh, also, can I start the camera with this? Yes, I can. Well, that's it for this video. I've cleaned it, put it back together, and that's it. Hope you find this video useful in case you have this phone and want to disassemble it. And if you want to do that, be careful anyway. Even though it's a very easy phone to disassemble, just be careful. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.